Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from Merchant Centric and they're looking for a reputation and social engagement coordinator. Merchant Centric is a vibrant company on the cutting edge of online marketing and analytical technology that helps local businesses across the country attract and connect with their customers and prospects. We're going after a multi-billion-dollar opportunity and are well positioned to gain market share based on our technology, market strategy, and traction in the industry. Merchant Centric is seeking a reputation and social engagement coordinator to monitor reviews on Google, Yelp, Facebook, TripAdvisor, and like social sites, and flag for removal content that violates site content guidelines. The ideal candidate is a recent college graduate with a strong aptitude for writing, public communication, research, editing, and marketing who's interested in working a full-time schedule remotely. Customer service experience is also a huge plus. The selected candidate must become familiar with each review site's content guidelines. It pays between $16 to $20 an hour. And some of your responsibilities will be monitor, read posted consumer reviews across sites such as Google, Yelp, TripAdvisor, etc. for Merchant Centric's national corporate and franchise clients' locations. Identify why reviews qualify as violating site guidelines. Flag for removal from sites' content that violate site content guidelines. Document all actions taken and ultimate resolution. Create client reporting to illustrate actions taken, success rate, and impact to the client's overall online reputation rating. Some of the required skills will be at least 1 year of experience in a professional office setting, internships count, a familiarity with Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, the ability to write persuasively. Ideal candidate will pay extreme attention to every single detail of what they read/write. The ability to adhere to strict deadlines and prioritize multiple duties that are assigned simultaneously. Self-sufficiency is key in this role. The ability to memorize and differentiate between site guidelines surrounding the management of online reviews. Ability to work remotely with workspace to use 2 monitors. Desired qualifications will be associate or bachelor's degree in English or marketing, journalism, communication studies, and public relations. We will also consider other business majors as long as a strong writing aptitude can be proven, some experience in customer service, a demonstrated ability in project management, a familiarity with online review sites and their content guidelines, someone who has an interest/history in writing persuasive content. Example, someone who is good at winning arguments based on logic. A flair for persuasion is key. Bilingual in English and Spanish is a plus. Please submit a cover letter with your resume and an example of your writing style. This job is full-time, pays $16 to $20 per hour, and also includes some benefits such as 401k, dental and health insurance, also vision insurance, and paid time off. The schedule will be Monday to Friday. Education will be associate preferred, not required, but preferred. Experience in writing skills and marketing at least 1 year is preferred. If this sounds like the perfect opportunity for you, I'll have the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't sweat it. We're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day on this channel. The only thing you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified the moment that we post a brand new remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.